Hey everybody, this is Christina with Club La La Land Crafts, and this is the September 2019 kit reveal. I am just going to go ahead and get started because I cannot wait to show you this kit. I love it. It's all about lemonade. You must order no later than the 20th to get the September kit and to get this beautiful golden envelope in your mailbox. If you order September 21st, then you're going to have to wait for the October kit. So be sure to write down September 20th, okay? So let's get started. This kit has 2 stamp sets and 4 die cuts. So the first little set is Marcy with lemons, and she comes with 3 sentiments. The next kit is Squeeze the Day, with these cute little mice and 3 little sentiments. And then these are your 4 little die cuts. They are fantastic. Let me get started showing you everything. So this is Marcy with lemons, and this is just one of the 2 that I have colored so far. You will see her on another card for inspiration for you later down the line for inspiration days. But that is Marcy. If you're new to the kit or new to La La Land Crafts at all, these are very deeply etched rubber stamps, and they have the cling foam, and they're nice and thick, and they work fantastic in the Misty if you take the black padding out of the back. So this is Marcy with lemons. You have Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy. Without lemons, there would be no lemonade, and just add sugar. So that is your first stamp set. I'm going to put her over here to the side, and I'm going to introduce you to these cute little mice. Now, I don't have them cut out like I do the other Marcy because I used them on a card, but I do have them like little cut out, but I don't have them finished yet. Okay, so here is what, well, that's what that one would look like. And then you have the little dude with his sign. He's so cute. And the little guy with his little lemonade cup. He's so cute. And they come with the sentiments of, you make my life a little less sour, you're my main squeeze, and of course, squeeze the day. These 2 are also the deeply etched rubber, and it's nice and thick. They all come the same, and these are actually all stamped out, so you can see they stamp very, very nicely. So I'm going to set all of these to the side because I have other stuff to show you, and I can't wait because it's so cute. So these, whoops, I gotta go slow. These are the die cuts. So this is the little lemonade stand. Mine's taken apart a little bit. So you get the stand itself, and it's a little pitcher, a little cup, and a little lemon. And then you've got 2 little signs for your lemonade stand as well. Then you've got, this is the cold drink. This one is so much fun because there's so much you can do with it. It has a straw. It has your cup, it has your liquid, or whatever you want to do with it, and then you've got these adorable little ice cubes. They're so cute. So that's cold drink. This one is lemonade sign. So this one, when it cuts out the letters too. I actually used these on one of the cards I'm about to show you. I used the letters and the little lemon with the leaf, but I wanted to save this part so that I could use it on a card later. So that is that one. And then, of course, Irina always comes up with some fun thing to do with the words. So you have the word lemonade, and then your S is up here to use for lemons. So, and this, don't do what I do the first time. I thought it was lemon seeds. It's not. It's cute little leaves for the top of your lemon. So be sure to take that out. Because, yeah, I thought it was seeds at first. Silly me. So those are your die cuts. Now I'm going to show you my cards. So the first one I'm going to show you is this cutie. I love this card. I love how it came out. My son Steven and I actually sat together and said, oh, we should do this, or we should put this here, or we should put that there. And then Meadow helped me decide which little stenciled paper I wanted in the background. So I just used the lemonade here, which was this piece, this die cut here. And you can see that I put the leaves, not the seeds, on the top of the lemon. I have the little mice walking in to get their fresh lemonades, and they're even bringing their own lemons. This little fellow's hanging on to the cup and the pitcher. And then here's the lemonade sign, which I told you is the other half of this that I wanted to use on another card. And then I used these two little signs that come with the lemonade stand, and I put fresh, and then I wrote 50 cents right here because he's already advertising it for 50 cents. I better not make it more, right? And then I just used a little sentiment right there. So then for Marcy, this is the other Marcy that I colored, and I already put her on a project. So with this one, I used the cold drink, and you can probably see him moving a little bit, but I made it a little too snug for the little clear yellow and just clear beads, so it would look like maybe ice or lemon in there. So, but I just popped it up and made a little shaker card out of the little drink, the cold drink. Down here I put lemons. I used that extra S and did lemons instead of lemonade. And then I have without lemons, there would be no lemonade on there. So those are the two projects that I did. You will get a tutorial on how I did one of these projects. I think I'll keep it a secret or a surprise as to which one it's going to be. So those are the two projects. Here are your die cuts. And then here are your stamp sets. Now to get all the stamp sets and all of the die cuts, it's $39.99, which that's a huge value. Considering you're getting about 60% off of the retail price, which is $84.99. So I'd say the $39.99 is your best bet for this kit. So you can get just the stamps if you don't want the die cuts. You can get just the stamps for $19.99, or you can get just the die cuts with no stamps for $29.99. So it's a great value to just get the whole kit, because you're also going to be getting everything that you see here, plus you're going to be getting exclusive project tutorials from every single team member. And we have, I think we're up to 15 team members now. So that's a lot of projects that you get tutorials for, which is outstanding. So this is the kit. You can't go wrong. Please sign up. I will have everything down below for you to sign up, the links and everything. And I really hope you enjoyed this video and my projects. I will see you next time. Bye now.